I think he can smell it and he want to eat it.
Yeah. Now this is the dry ingredients. Can you do that? Can you sift? And I try to do this. Mix this until well combined. Yes. You can see like this. Hey, so many.
But so many snow. There's so many snow.
Yes. Okay, wait. No. Wait.
Can I go like this? Throw it?
No.
And why?
We use that. Okay. We need half more. Okay. Now do it again, just like now. Just now. Right and left. Right and left. Yeah.
No.
The sponge cake.
No.
SpongeBob cake.
No.
Oh, Mario. Yeah. I still remember that.
When Mario's coming back?
Later, in 2 hours, until all the cakes done.
Oh, so this is slimy. Can we touch it?
Yeah. Can you help me again?
Yeah.
Mix.
Let's talk about.
Let's go.
Ooh, so gooey.
Careful. Here, why you go to the toilet? Of course you are not going to bake the cake in the toilet.
Ew, it's so stiff. Wow, we put it. Why don't we cover it all? I look. Now we're making the milkshake. You see it's bubbly.
Wait. Now get your cup. Your blue cup. Give it to me.
Yeah, I got a cup from Tante Bonnie.
Now pour your milkshake.
I think it's dirty.
Try.
So good.
Hah?
So good.
Lihat dong, sini dong. Papi mau lihat enak apa enggak?
It's good, Papi and Mommy.
Wah, yummy.